I am Dr. Stephen Schwartz, and I'm the founder of Bioharmonic Technologies. And I'm here today to show you how to unpack your new Vibe 3.2 vibrational sound therapy system. And I have this on top of our Vibe 3.0 base. This does not come with your system. However, it is available as an upgrade or another accessory. So if you're interested in that, visit our website, bioharmonictechnologies.com. And I want to show you how we would set this up. What you do get with this system is you do get an upgraded travel bag. Unzip the accessory bag, and inside what you're going to find is you have your custom vibro light speaker, your custom Bioharmonic Technologies tablet. You have your new 100-watt micro amp, your headphone amp, and I like to stack them on top of each other. The micro amp cord, headphone amp cord, your headphones, your vibro cord, and then you have your accessory cords for connecting everything together. Once all the accessories are out of your bag, you now proceed with taking Vibe 3.2 out of your custom bag. Just simply unzip it. And as you can see, it fits in long ways, not horizontal, but vertically. So it fits perfect inside the bag. And I usually like to zip it up just to keep everything nice and tidy. Fold it up. Just set it to the side. And voila, just opens up. This is the exact size of a standard massage table. So this can fit on top of a massage table, it can fit on top of this base. I've been in practice since 1999, and I've said to myself, I've always wanted to make my own custom chiropractic table. I've now created my own vibrational chiropractic table, and this is no better way of adjusting all the different kinds of reflexes. You have your somatosomatic reflex, your viscerosomatic reflex, and your somatovisceral reflexes. You can address all of that through this table. It's perfect height, and we've designed it with resistance in the foam so you can do body work specifically on it. Also, so you can pull out this middle component so you can go face down and receive vibration through this as well. People ask, which one of these devices are better, and I say it's not that they're better or worse, they have different applications. For this particular device, this is lighter, travels better, it has 2 vibrational centers in it, and it's just an overall more universal device. You can put this flat, you can have people sit on it. It begins with the custom vibro cord, and it just slides in. As you see with my fingers, you just want to find where there's alignment, and you just click it as you turn it clockwise. And the other end of this cord fits right into the red and the black matching components of this micro amp. Plug in the micro amp into the power supply here, and then the other side of this plugs directly into the outlet. The green light comes on, and when the green light comes on, you can now turn the vibration all the way to the right to maximize the vibration coming through the Vibe 3.2. Take the other cord And just as a mind, so you would think that the bigger converter is for the bigger system. It's actually the opposite. The smaller converter is for the headphone amp, and the larger converter is for the small micro amp. So just make sure you plug this into power source, and then you want to control the volume. At this point, you want to go to the accessories, and this is a little different configuration than with the Vibe 3.1. It works off of this Y connector, and there's just one plug in the back. So you want to plug the Y connector in, and I like making sure that they stay separated here to eliminate any kind of interference or anything like that. You can take these two normal accessory cords and just plug them into the female acceptor of the Y. And so you have the in and the out. So at this point you can choose if you want to listen to music through the custom vibro light speaker, and you can just turn this on.
Bluetooth.
And once it's plugged into the auxiliary, you can hit the power button
FM mode.
3 times
Aux in.
until it says aux in, and that's what we're working with. And then you want to take the other cord and plug it in to the top of the tablet. And if it's not on, like it is now, hit the low button on the side until you see the Bioharmonic Technologies logo pop up, and then it'll go through its power up cycle. Now the other component of that is the headphones. So with this model, you have an option of working with the VibraLite speaker or working with these custom headphones. Now if this is for body work, you're going to want to use a speaker because, you know, people are having noise cancellation headphones. They can't listen to what you're saying to them, and you have these headphones on and they're smushing over your face, and it's not flowy. So that's why we offer the speaker to play the music through while you're doing body work. However, if you want to use the Vibe 3.2 for your own deep experience, you can unplug the auxiliary plug in the back and then plug it into the audio in plug in the front of the headphone amp, and then you want to take a 1/4-inch plug and put it into the 1/4-inch acceptor of the headphone amp. And then when you play the music, you can receive all the music. And now it's vibrating. So that's how you set up the Vibe 3.2. In order to convert this back into the speaker, all you simply need to do is unplug the auxiliary cord and plug it into the back part of the speaker.
Aux in.
If you're holding the speaker away from you where the lights is into the palm of your hand, this is the volume down. So it's kind of backwards like you would think. So if you're looking at it this way, this is kind of like down. And then you can control the different light settings with this little like sun picture on there. The lights will change. And that is vibration sound therapy system. There's one other configuration that I'd like to share with you, and that involves this RCA to 3/4 inch jack. And if you don't want to use the auxiliary plug, you can take these, plug the white into the white and the red into the red, and plug this into the Y splitter. And then you want to take the adapter off and then put that directly here. Now you hear the music through the headphones. For somebody that's using their own headphones that doesn't have a 1/4 inch adapter, this is how you would do it. Thank you for vibing with me. I'm excited to communicate with you as we harmonize humanity